Hello, good people of NRF driving training. It's another beautiful day out here, and I just have a few tips and also to answer a question that I get a whole lot from people. Will I be able to take my driving test during the winter period? Okay, a lot of people think that during winter, since there's snow outside, they might not be able to take their test. But I want to tell you that that's not true. Okay, as long as they haven't declared any state of emergency because of snowfall, you should be able to do anything just like any period of the year. Remember, you are going to be in your vehicle. You are not going to be standing outside in the cold. You are going to be in your vehicle all throughout your test. During your cones and on the road test, you are still going to be in the vehicle. Okay, so the code has nothing to do with your test. All right, so I will even advise a lot of you guys to take your test during this period. Reason being that there is no wait time. Remember, during summer periods, you can wait up to 2 months before you are able to take your test. Okay, the schedule is very tight at the different DMV offices. So taking it this time will give you that opportunity to schedule it within a few days or within a week or so. So take advantage of this, that so many people don't know that you can take your test, and go out there, get your license, and drive, get your independence that you've always wanted, get to do the things you love doing, go to places you love going. Okay, so hit me up if you have any questions, if you have any concerns about that. I should be able to help you out. Remember, NRF is always here to support you, to make sure that you go out there and be the safest driver. Okay, so see you in another video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Okay, that will help me produce much of this video again for people like you, and please do share to other people who might need this information. Okay, thank you and bye bye. Merry Christmas in advance.